This short video will show you how to use wireless charging in your Cadillac vehicle. First, your mobile device must have built-in wireless charging capability or a compatible wireless charging case. To check for device compatibility with your vehicle, go to Owner Center and refer to the list of compatible devices. In addition, make sure your vehicle has the technology package that includes wireless charging. It may not be a standard feature. Now let's find where to put your device so it'll charge. The wireless charging pad may be located in different places in your vehicle, depending on your model. It can be located in the hidden storage bin behind the infotainment screen, in a small vertical pocket or bin, near the gear shifter, in the back seat, on the floor console, on the top of the armrest, inside it, or tucked underneath it. You may see a warning or orange label to identify the pad. Some wireless charging pads do not have this label, so look carefully. To use wireless charging, turn on the vehicle. Remove all objects from the wireless charging pad, especially metal or magnetic items. Place the device face up on the pad. Move it slowly until a charging icon displays on the touchscreen. The wireless charging system takes about 10 seconds to sense that the device is wireless compatible. If the device is properly positioned and wireless compatible, the icon will stay on and charge the device. If the charging icon goes away after 10 seconds or doesn't display at all, remove and rotate the device 180 degrees and place on the pad again. You may also need to remove any protective covers on the device. Objects that are not wireless compatible will not charge, even if it's resting on the charging pad. Also, some devices, including tablets, readers, and extra-large phones, may be too big and won't fit onto the charging pad. And finally, make sure you don't have any objects between the wireless charging pad and the device, as those objects could heat up. No more cable clutter, plugs, or wires. It's that simple.